In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after it's been published. Whether you need to make a few quick tweaks or embark on a major overhaul, this guide will lead you through the entire process seamlessly. Let's get started so you can make your desired updates with confidence. First, head over to Wix's official website. You can do this by entering their URL in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the website, you'll need to either create an account if you're new to Wix, or simply log in if you already have one. If you're logging in, ensure you have your account credentials handy. If you're creating a new account, follow the straightforward sign-up process. It's essential to have access to all your website features, so make sure this step is complete before moving on. After you've logged into your Wix account, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. Here, you'll be able to view all the sites you have associated with your account. Go ahead and locate the site you've already published and wish to edit. The dashboard layout is user-friendly, making it relatively easy to spot your website. Once you've identified your site, look for the Edit Site option. Clicking this will take you into the Wix editor, a powerful tool that gives you immense flexibility over your website's design and content. The editor interface is intuitive, allowing you to navigate different sections of your site easily. With the editor open, you can now begin making the changes you want. Whether you're altering text, updating images, or modifying the layout, take your time to ensure each change aligns with your vision. Feel free to explore various design elements Wix offers to enhance the visual appeal of your site. Remember, this is your creative space, so there's no rush. As you make changes, it's crucial to preview them to ensure they appear as you expected. To do this, simply click on the Preview button. This feature allows you to see your website as your visitors will, without committing the changes just yet. It's a handy way to catch any adjustments that might still be needed. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks in preview mode, it's time to publish those updates. You'll find the Publish button within the editor. By clicking it, your new changes will go live, seamlessly updating your website for all visitors. Keep in mind that you can always return to the editor if further alterations are needed. With these steps, you now have full control over editing your Wix website post-publishing. Take these instructions and let your creativity flow as you continuously enhance your site to better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!